R.A. Wow.
Serious.
See you niggas on the other side like we was Skyping. Lyrical flow, we're keeping in the mic bin. Flow so hot, making Satan sweat. I'm the hottest nigga yet. Bet I make $1 million in the fucking set. Fucking you niggas up like you in a car crash. A car crash, you niggas swerve past you niggas. I'm a NASCAR, y'all just a little go-kart. Using lyrics to rip y'all niggas apart. Y'all niggas sweet as Pop-Tarts. And I'm knocking the crumbs off of your head. But I think that's just the dandruff, like you never wash your head. Lyrics coming and it's sticking in your head, nigga, like Gorilla Glue. You know what gorillas do, we go wild. On top of you niggas like a dog pile. No homo, but your niggas still coming up short like Frodo. I'm still growing out the Frodo. Niggas going instinct like there was dodos. Yeah, I stay solo, but ain't absurdo. Only one brave band, so you know that's Uno. No Versace, you're a nigga, I ain't no amigo, but I still stay fly, and my lyrics loco. Put you in a chokehold, and I ain't gon' let go. About to see you struggle, nigga, I'ma watch you buckle, nigga. Get your seatbelt on, you might crash and die, and I'ma pray that your soul reach the sky. Yeah, they say I'm in it. No competition to my mission, you know I'ma get it. Yeah, they say I'm in it. No mission, crushing all my competition. Yeah, they say I got it. No mission, crushing all my competition. Yeah, they say I got it. No mission, and I'm still crushing my competition. I'm the realest from the cat, that's a fact. When y'all niggas on the microphone, all y'all do is look slack. No hygiene, like I keep my jeans sag. Too gangster for you niggas, reason why I'm spitting trap. Racking niggas head with them racks. Smoking niggas like blacks. Keep running, bitch, I can still see your tracks. Like you just got your hair done at the salon. My lyrics so long, that I send you home so long. Man, get the stepping. Aight?